It just so happened that I passed by Lo Wang's house next door that day, found out that there is also one. So, I had an idea. I planned to recreate the one that came out back then. Hey, I didn't expect this one to be a product of the 1980s. Lao Wang next door learned that I had this idea. Let me take it away without saying a word. With my personality, I must do what I say. But the car is rotten like this. Customer records are sure to be difficult. Let your passers-by pass by and say, such a bad car needs to be refurbished. I spend enough money to buy a new one. They don't know that feelings are priceless. Just to recreate the classic. Dry. Lao Wang next door. This car is estimated to have been successful for a long time. A lot of places are rotten. Rusty rust looking at the scalp tingling. Look at the sludge thickness on the engine. I don't know how long I didn't take a shower before stepping on it. Green leaves come down all year round, mountains of sludge. This will lead to later erosion. The work became very difficult. This gear lever position is welded. See if you can grind off the solder joints. Forget it. Get rid of it. Such violent speculation. I'm really worried about whether the later accessories can be found. Wow, look. The frame has become a rat's nest. So the line is doomed. Although wiring is my forte. But rearranging the whole group is also a huge headache. Dad said he used to take me for a ride. But I was a kid then. Memory is vague. And it wasn't so easy to take a picture at that time. So now I can only rely on this only photo. Come and reminisce. The old saying goes that I'm renovating this car. I even came all the way to see it. He is also super looking forward to the effect after it comes out. Found something interesting. Why is there a pile of strawberries here? It is also the work of mice. This house should smell good. The Emperor has taken a serious break in making screws, only by touching the hammer of Thor. Still can't knock a hole. Counter cut machine to serve. This direction column decides not to want. After soaking in the power of 9 bulls and 2 tigers, it is finally dismantled. I'm going to operate on him next. After decomposing this dilapidated body. Now let's start repairing this 30-year-old machine. Wash the outer sludge first. So disgusting, my scalp is really numb. Regular water guns don't work on him at all. It can only be cleaned with this high-pressure water gun. Spend a morning. Brand new. Can be disassembled. Let go of this old oil first. Wow, embarrassing moment now. An indescribable smell hit the nose. It looks like chocolate inside. It must be that Lao Wang next door did not change the oil for a long time. Look at this carbon deposition. That's amazing. Not granular. Expected. The cylinder has been scrapped. See this scratch? This is weird. The person who drove this car at the time, most don't pay attention to maintenance. Despite this, the engine is still so durable. Check out this chocolate engine. These 2 screws are slippery. Try the legendary slippery silk artifact. Pull it down. You have to see it. I have to say this engine is too difficult to remove. It is easier to dismantle the suction dryer than it is all day long. Finally dismantled. The cover here is also squeezed out. Fix it first. The effect looks okay. Looking for a long time, finally got all the accessories together. Then it took another 3 days and 3 nights. Finally, these chocolates are washed white. As the saying goes, it is easy to go up the mountain but difficult to go down the mountain, because I have not been exposed to this kind of engine before. So there were many difficulties during installation. Please create a lot of masters to solve the problems one by one. The difficulty of repairing this engine, as well as the time and horsepower spent, far exceeded my expectations. This process, I actually thought about giving up. Why bother? But I thought about the homesickness in the neighborhood after the restoration was successful. Satisfied smile. I did it again. I think this is the invisible faith in my heart. It's driving me along. 15 sleepless nights finally repaired. Presumably, he hasn't tasted anything good in a long time. Brother and I are better. Start smoothly. Everything was working fine. The previous efforts were indeed not in vain. Next up is them. Several large pieces under the sun. Take this classic brand off first and set it aside. This car, I'm sure you've all seen the condition of the car. It's just black. I have to be careful with a lot of movements. Once it is damaged, it is likely that it will not be found. Look at this station. You have to deal with him in the most direct and violent way. Around the corner places like these. Gotta make this little turn. That's it for half a day. Gadgets like these, all sandblasted. Don't blink. Let's do a magic trick. Classic small fuel tank. Without a swatch. It's all about feeling to adjust the color scheme of Dad's phone back then. Yeah, that's it. A total of more than 40 days. All the spare parts are ready. Finally, we can enter the assembly process. Really excited at this moment. As a car tuner, I really enjoy this feeling of building something from nothing. Especially the sense of achievement after the completion of the whole vehicle. Really indescribable. So, I get a lot of questions. It's really a bad money that spends so much energy and money. Does it make sense? I mean, it means a lot. Unspeakable. New to every screw is my purpose. In fact, I want to give this meaning to my loved ones. Too many fans left messages before. The designation depends on me changing this car. To satisfy everyone, I tried my best. You see, a modification plan was developed. I have to say that among the many small displacement locomotives, CBD is more difficult to change. Mainly in terms of stations and fuel tanks, super tough. So friends who also want to do it themselves, the premise is that there must be a certain foundation for changing the car. Certainly, except that you can refer to my case. But friends who have their own ideas, you can also try other styles. Speaking of which, all the exterior parts have been dismantled by me. The whole frame structure is now visible at a glance. So let's start with the tank. This is the tank I chose. It looks a little N, but it's a little more retro than N. The overall appearance has soared a few levels. The fuel tank has been changed and the train frame has started. The whole solution is the hardest thing about this frame. The first thing to consider: the position of the rear screen difference of this car. Because the original car tires are too thin, so the tires have to be widened. Of course, widening the tire requires a rear screen difference. And then there's Chinese shock absorbers. Hey, so it's a mess. I just had to redo the entire back of the frame. Change it to double shock absorption, by the way. I think double do. The retro chassis with double shock absorption is more flavorful. The front plug adopts inverted shock absorption, coupled with the wheel hub assembly of the first 100 plus the last 130. This combination is quite first class. In fact, like this modification plan, it can also be applied to other models. For example, EN1 to 5G, S125 to Q125, etc. Just use your imagination. Anything is possible. Of course, there will definitely be many netizens who will say, I don't have as much equipment as you do. What can be done then? Well equipped, that's sure to be easy to handle, but there is a way without so much equipment. It's man-made. Back when I first started, it's just a few devices. Eventually you can change the car. It's just a troublesome process. Next, make him the side covers and fenders. Material-wise, I use aerospace aluminum. The technical content of making these accessories, it's a little bit higher. If some beginner players can't get it, you can choose to find some professionals to customize, or replace it with something simpler. Loading effect is beautiful. Start polishing the whole seat cushion on it. The first step needs to be sealed with plastic wrap. Then it won't get anywhere else. Material-wise, I use only 196 fiberglass. The blending ratio is 100 to 1.5 to 1 milliliter. Apply demolding wax and you're ready to go. Generally, it is almost enough to lay 4 to 5 layers. After it is fully solidified, just lay on a high-density sponge. The epidermis. I use leather for car seats. Texture number 1. Purely hand-sewn. Retro modification like ours. There are certain requirements for seat cushions. If the seat cushion is not done well, it will affect the modification effect of the whole side. The Jing pattern is my favorite pattern. The retro style is perfect. Coupled with this LED retro original light. Double-out torpedo exhaust pipe. The complete set of modification plans is basically completed. In fact, pink is also pretty. Next, please see the effect after the whole car is blackened.